This is part 2 of the CNC rebuild video. We're going to install a Z probe. First thing, I always like to tint the wire on the end just to make sure that it has a good connection under the clamps of the controller board, the breakout board. I always strip it and tint it with some solder so that little tiny wires would be one, and it makes a better connection. We're using the Mach 4 breakout board. We're dressing the wires. One wire goes to 0 volts or ground. And the other wire will be going to pin number 4, and that's for the Z probe. And the modification of this breakout board had 0 problems. Just installed it, reconnect all the wires to the stepper motor and everything, and it worked really good. The only problem I do have with it is the speed control. As you can tell, you're shorting out the Z probe and you can see it lights up. Now we're going to move each one of the axes. This machine was built to do plastic injection molds, so there were big chunks of aluminum, and it was done extremely slow. So this machine is not a speed demon, but it was most definitely accurate. As you can see, the table's moving. And like I said, the machine is no speed demon. It goes slow, but it was super accurate. I mean, it would make an aluminum mold great. The speed control did not interface with the Mach 4 board. So what I had to do is put a solid state relay. I connected to the Ford connector on the box, and then I connected the other wire to the 24 volt side to power the solid state relay. Then 110 volts went in, and then it went back to the speed controller. I had to use the pot for the speed control because I couldn't interface the spindle to that. Now we're turning the spindle off and on by the software. So at least the Mach 4 does control the off and on mode. So this is going to be the end of our part 2, but we're going to have part 3, and what that is going to be a UBS handheld controller that's wireless we're going to connect. It will be the next video, and that will be part 3. Thank you for watching.